In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new view in Zendesk. Creating a view in Zendesk is an essential skill that helps streamline your workflow by allowing you to see the tickets that matter most to you. Let's dive in and explore the process together. First, let's navigate to the Views Administration panel. On your Zendesk support dashboard, you'll want to find the Views icon, which is located on the left sidebar. Click on that, and it'll open up a list of views. When you scroll to the bottom of this list, you'll see an option labeled More. Click on that, and then select Manage Views. Alternatively, you can access this by heading into the Admin Center. From there, navigate through Workspaces, then Agent Tools, and finally, Views. This will take you to where you can start managing or adding new views. Now let's add that new view. You'll need to click on the Add View button, which might also be displayed as a plus sign with the words Add View beside it. This step kicks off the creation of a new view tailored to your specific needs. Next up is giving your view a name and a description. Here's where you get to be creative within the boundaries of your organizational requirements. Provide a straightforward title that clearly indicates what the view is for. For example, you might name it Level 2, Pending Tickets. If you'd like, add a description to explain the purpose behind this view. Descriptions are optional, but they can be incredibly helpful for providing context to other team members. Now, let's focus on setting the conditions for the view. You'll find a section labeled Meet all of the following conditions. Click on Add Condition here. This is where you can start selecting filters to suit the view's purpose. A common filter might be setting Ticket Status to less than Solved, indicating that you're interested in unresolved tickets. Another example could be specifying that the ticket assignee is the current user, so you're only seeing tickets assigned to you. There's also flexibility here to add any conditions using OR logic, giving you greater control over the information displayed. After you've set your conditions, it's a good idea to click on Preview to ensure that the tickets shown match what you're expecting. This step verifies that your conditions are set correctly before moving on. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you can choose how the data is formatted in your view. Decide which columns to display, such as the subject, requester, or status. You can set the group by and order by options to configure how your tickets are grouped and sorted. This helps make the view even more useful. Now, let's determine who will be able to access this view. You have a few options here. You can make it available to all agents, limit it to agents within specific groups, or keep it as a personal view that only you will see. Finally, when everything looks good, hit the Save button, or depending on what you see, it might say Create View. Your new view will be added under the Views icon and accessible according to the permissions you've set. And there you have it. Your customized view is ready for action.